inGrade, learning that works.
Hello and welcome. Today we are going to install the Jupyter Notebook on your computer by using Anaconda, step by step. If you are new to the programming, don't worry, I will walk you through everything in simple, easy words. So let's get started. First, the quick intro. Jupyter Notebook is a tool where you can write and run code, make notes, and even draw graph all in your web browser. It's almost like a digital notebook for your coding project. Anaconda is a free software package that gives you Python, Jupyter Notebook, and lots of data science tools all in one place. It makes your life much easier, especially if you are a beginner. Now, let's install the Anaconda. Open your internet browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the search bar, type Anaconda download. Click on the official Anaconda website. Now, the website might automatically show option. Pause and check what kind of computer are you using. Click the window download. I will install it on Windows 10. Before clicking download, check if your computer is 64-bit or 32-bit. On window, right-click this PC or computer icon on your desktop and select properties. Look for system type. It will say 64-bit or 34-bit. Pick the right installer based on your system and click to download. Once the file is downloaded, find the Anaconda installer in your downloads folder. Double-click the file to start. Let's go through the step. A window appears. Click Next. Read and agree to the license. Click I agree. Choose Just Me if you are the only use. Choose the default install location. Just click Next again. Optional, you can check a box to add Anaconda to my path variable, but usually you don't need this. Click Install. The installation take a few minutes. Once it's finished, click Next and then click Finish. Now we have installed Anaconda. Open it. It may take a minute the first time. The step is optional, but it helps keep your project organized. In Anaconda Navigator, look on the left for the environments. Click the Create button at the bottom. Name your environment something simple like MyENV. Choose the Python version. The latest one is fine. Click Create. Wait a moment for it to set up. Anaconda comes with the Jupyter Notebook already, but let's see how to start it. Go back to the home section in Anaconda Navigator. Find the card or title that says Jupyter Notebook. Click the install button if it asks. Once it's ready, click launch. This will open a new tab in your web browser. Congrats, now you have inside the Jupyter Notebook. Click the new button on the right and pick Python 3. A blank notebook will appear. Type this in the first cell, Python, then print Hello Jupyter. Press Shift plus Enter to run the code. If everything works, you will see Hello Jupyter underneath if you face any error. Make sure you install the right version. Try restarting Anaconda Navigator or close or reopen your browser. Whenever you want to use Jupyter Notebook again, open Anaconda Navigator. Click Jupyter Notebook under Home, then click Launch. It always open in your web browser. That's it. Now, you know how to install a Jupyter Notebook using Anaconda. You can use Jupyter for Python, data science, or just exploring coding ideas. Thanks for watching and happy learning.